Hola.
Sí.
Welcome to South America.
Don Fabio, buen día.
La Paz City is at more than 3,660 meters, which is 12,000 feet above sea level. I just arrived very early this morning, having some tea to help me with the altitude sickness. Due to the altitude, it does take extra effort to walk and do stairs in this city. I will start by taking the famous cable car system here in South America, known as my teleférico. It is the longest urban cable car system. The view is pretty from up here.
Bolivianos.
This is a touristy place that you will find lucky charms and enchanted trinkets. And even dehydrated llama fetus that is said is to bury under your house for good luck. It is a little weird to me, but also is an interesting part of the Bolivian culture. Lots of interesting stuff you can see in this store. These streets are very cute. This city has steep valley slopes of the surrounding mountains. La Paz is also known as the city that touches the clouds. Their main square is very small, but it has its cathedral, government palace, and Congress. And a lot of pigeons that you can feed and get pictures with them.
Por eso. Ok, muchas gracias. Gracias. Para. Tickets. Dos. Dos. Decídelo, por favor. Gracias.
This place, Moon Valley, they are huge stalagmites that have been eroded by wind and water.
Es como un sendero, ¿no? Sí. Ay, mira, que parece otro planeta.
Dog wanted to be our guide. He kept following us.
Ya.
You have two trails to choose from. One is 15 minutes and the other one is 45 minutes. So I picked the 45 minutes trail. Doesn't this place look to you like you were at the moon? They are fascinating rock formations. To do this trail, it was a little tiring because you have to go some steps and then go down other steps, and the altitude didn't help.
A ver, veamos.
Almost done. It took me about an hour to do this. My last stop, it is an overlook called Kili Kili. Look at this view of the whole city of La Paz. You can see almost 360-degree view of La Paz City. If you ever come to Bolivia, I will highly recommend you to visit Uyuni Salt Flats. It is an amazing place. I will leave the video at the end of this magic place. And this is how I will end my day here in La Paz. Thank you for watching.